Before you begin investing through mutual funds, it is really important to discover the basics of mutual fund investments, like what are mutual funds and how mutual fund works. Today we have financial expert Mr. Hariharan with us. Mr. Hari, could you please explain how mutual fund works?
So in a mutual fund, it is very simple. We take money from a pool of investors. So let's assume hypothetically that there are about 100 people today, and I take 10,000 rupees from each one of you, which means I have 10 lakh rupees that is now available to me. I take this 10 lakh rupees, I give it to a mutual fund company, which is also called as an asset management company or an AMC. And in this asset management company, there are fund managers who will now take this money, invest it on our behalf into different securities. Okay, and they will generate returns from those securities and pass it to the investors. That's how simple a mutual fund is. Please remember, a mutual fund is a completely regulated entity. It is regulated by SEBI, which is a regulator for capital markets, and it is created by way of a trust. Why this is important? Because a lot of people ask us this question, that if I give money in a mutual fund, what if the mutual fund company shuts down? What if they siphon the money and run away? Siphoning and running away is not possible, because there's a trust and the trustees are supposed to report to SEBI every 6 months what is happening in their AMC, what is happening in their mutual fund. Okay, so it's very important. It is not like crypto. It is not like a chit fund or this thing that you give the money, somebody can take it, run away. It is not possible. Companies may shut down, that's possible. One AMC may shut down, it may get acquired by another company. All those things can happen. But anybody giving money to a mutual fund and the mutual fund will run away will not happen. So be mindful of the fact it's a completely regulated entity. It's a completely regulated legal investment. So have enough conviction and confidence in mutual fund.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment options or related to your financial goals, feel free to book a free appointment with our financial planner. The link to the free booking is given in the description below this video. Also, will you be interested to attend insightful investment webinars? Then feel free to register for our upcoming insightful enlightening investment webinar, and it is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Also share it in your social circle. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now. Bye.